Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In our previous video, we explored the Ubuntu terminal and its essential commands, and we also discussed the basic structure of a bash script file. In this video, we are going to write our first bash script. We will start from the basics, covering everything you need to know to write and create your own script file, and we will see how to run it. And I will explain everything in step-by-step process. So in step 1, you need to create a script file. You can do it in multiple ways. You can use touch command to create the file and then you can use nano to edit the file. Or you can use gedit or vim editor to create and edit the file. Here I am going to use the vim editor to create our file. So currently I am in this directory tutorial 2. So to create our script file using vim editor, you need to write vi then file name and with its extension .sh. So let's name our file tutorial2.sh and hit enter. It will create your script file. Now by default, Vim opens in command mode. To start typing text, you need to switch to insert mode. For this, you need to press I in your keyboard. And you should see that insert appears at the bottom left corner of the terminal window, indicating that you are in the insert mode. Now in step 2, you have to write your commands in the script file. And as I told before that every bash script starts with the cbang line. So let's add this. Then you can add some comments. So every comment starts with a hashtag. So let's say this is our first bash script. Now let's say I want to print hello world. So for this I am going to use the echo command. So echo and then type your sentence that you want to print, obviously within the double quotes. So this is hello world. So this is our first bash script. Now in step 3, you need to save this file. So once you are done with typing, press escape to exit insert mode and return to command mode. Then to save this file, you need to type :w and press enter. So this will save your file, but it will not exit the Vim editor. Basically this :w command tells the Vim editor to write or save the changes in your file. Or you can also save and exit the file by typing :wq and hit enter. There are several other options available with Vim editor like :q, which is used to quit the Vim editor without saving changes, or :q factorial. So I list all of them. So let me open another terminal window. So this tutorial2.sh is our script file. So currently I have this .sh file in this directory. Now in step 4, you have to make this script file executable. And for this, in the terminal, you need to write chmod, which stands for change mode. Then type +x and then the file name, which is tutorial2.sh. Now, if you list the files, then you will see the color of this file tutorial2.sh got changed from white to green, which indicates that this file is now executable. So in the final step, step 5, you need to run the file. And for this, you need to write / then the file name. So this is tutorial2.sh and it will print hello world. Now let me show you some of the uses of echo command. You can use escape character to print special characters such as new line or a tab. Let's say you want to give a tab between hello and world. So let's go to Vim editor and let's get into this insert mode. And to use this tab, you need to use this option -e and then /t for tab. Now save the changes and run the file. So now as you can see, we have an extra tab between hello and world. Now if you want to print hello and world in two different lines, then you can use new line or /n. So for this, let's get into insert mode and change it to /n or new line. Now save it and run the file. So now it will print hello and world in two different lines. You can also do it, let's say you can use two echo commands, one to print in one line and another to print in another line. So in this case also, it will print the hello and world in two different lines. But now for the case, let's say you want to print hello and world in same line with these two echo commands. So for this, you can use this option -n. Let's save the changes. So now if you run this file, then you will find that hello world is printed in the same line, although two echo commands are used. So this is just the beginning of our scripting journey. In future videos, we will explore more advanced commands, loops, conditional statements, and how to build more powerful computer bash scripts. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content or mastering Ubuntu terminal and bash scripting. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I will be happy to help. So see you in the next video.